a summer street, tripping, I fall in. I wanted it to happen.
We're going to Cheonjiyeon waterfall. The path there is pretty tricky. They say it's about 1.5 kilometers, so we decided to walk. 2 kilometers? 1.5, 2 kilometers. And like there's a thunderstorm cloud up there, and like it's sunny on this side, on this end. Mummy says that the water changes its color through the weather. So if it's like really black, you can the water there where the thunderstorm clouds are is really like, it's not black, but it's a deep version of a blue. And like on this end where there's fluffy white clouds and sunny weather, it's beautiful light blue. So yeah, those are some artifacts you gotta know. So I'll take you guys to the waterfall now.
Did you mention this place has a lot of UNESCO sites?
Oh yeah, one of it is on the east side, which is like a cove, a tough cove.
It's a hill in the middle of the sea that's called Sunrise Hill, and it appeared 1,000 years ago from the sea,
Yeah.
towards the land. So.
Okay, the camera's lost focus again. The falls is all the way up. So they said you have to take some time, but we walk anyway. So yeah, full of greenery, peace, no monkeys entering your road, no tigers probably, but a ton of spiders on the plants, which won't freak you out unless you're phobic of spiders. Petit.
I want to get in the
waterfall to Camellia hill, which is super peaceful, super nice. The atmosphere is really different. You can have like, you know, meditation, you can just sit down and observe the air. So the trip to Camellia hill was pretty short from the falls, even though they say it's like 20 minutes, 30 minutes. It's kind of up in a forest and all, but during the trip I felt sick probably because of the roads. In Seoul I did not feel sick at all, but in Jeju-do kind of, and then my mom gave me some type of plant. I don't know where I kept, probably carried away by the wind, but I smelled that and it was so gorgeous. Like, smells like herbs, and I love that smell. So I'm kind of relieved right now. I'm sitting in this little old house that is culturally like a resting area, and if you see the atmosphere outside, it's amazing. Mom's just sending her friends some videos. So make sure to visit Camellia Hill. It's aesthetic during the spring, but even now there's a lot of photography areas. I can't see so many flowers, but definitely it's summer right now in Jeju, so you can't expect much. Like, flowers don't bloom in summer seasons, but yeah, it's calm, and I'm just absorbing heat, and it's relaxing. Like, spiritually, mentally, you're just in a different place. And what else? Fun fact, I'm gonna walk and tell you guys, or just now. Oh my god, I just realized that I have a lot of water splashed here. No wonder it's not a classified little camera. I decided to tell you all a fun fact. That is that in this poster of Love Yourself BTS, so Jin had come and taken his picture in Camellia Hill, which is absolutely gorgeous. I guess that was springtime, but you can definitely see some camellias and beautiful. That's one of the reasons I came here. But apart from that, definitely for relaxation. So we're in Camellia Hill right now. That's the cafe store that you can get your stuff from. Here are pretty lights and the amazing scenery. Caught up with lovely pictures, and I'm having peach Earl Grey tea, which I guess is my new favorite from now. Also, that I got a fabric bag because my mom saw a lot of Koreans, locals, just carrying fabric bags instead of carrying my bags, and she's like, okay, carry one in them. I was fine with that, and I love the design. You guys should really check that out. Like, everything is aesthetic here. People are aesthetic too. Drinks are aesthetic. Like, what more can you ask for? Reached the Innisfree Jeju house, and it looks a bit.
So this is the Innisfree cafe, and
there's some things going on there. And whoa, there are a lot of products here, ranging from green tea sleeping masks all the way down there. There's a cafe there, so you can really enjoy. There's lots of gift shops here, hand creams and all. I really wonder what they're doing here. I'm gonna try it out. Oh, you create a soap. I see. Oh, that would be fun. Nice activity to do here. You wanna create soap, mommy? Huh? Soap. Hey guys, so we're in Innisfree now from Camellia Hill. Sit that side? Okay. So we're gonna sit near the garden area, which is also free. That side is free. Let's just go and grab a seat there. So anyways, apart from that, Innisfree is like a house to Korea's nearly #1 beauty brand, and my mom plans to buy stuff from there, but then she thinks it's expensive. So yeah, that's kind of true.
we are knowing about Innisfree brand.
Who?
Lucky.
Yeah,
She must be knowing.
I don't know.
Do you know the brand Innisfree?
So
One of famous brand in
we ordered something from the
It's a
cafe,
top brand in Korea.
and then as you can see
We are here in
the garden
factory
behind me.
house.
It's beautiful.
You
Yeah,
can
this
say
is
factory outlet, cafe, factory.
Mommy's doing a live again.
Yeah, I'm always.
And so on that side they have like a activity area to make soaps. We might go there, and then it's just a might, it's not a confirmation. And then we're just gonna have lunch. And then on the in the middle side they have like a small shop where you can buy the products, I guess. So it totally depends upon you. But I think me myself think that in Myeongdong, in Seoul, it's really cheaper. So you can always check it out. I will let you guys know once I'm in Seoul. Done, and we're deciding whether to create soaps or whether to get out and go back to the hotel. Wait, let me try it from here. Ooh, it does work. So I'm currently looking through my viewfinder. Well, I did definitely find my view. It's gorgeous. The garden. Botanical stuff, and it legit says beware of snakes, but my mom's like, nah, let's just go. There are no snakes, they're gonna pop up. Swear if I see a snake, I'ma run.
No, you may run, no problem, you run. You haven't run for some time.
What if a snake pops out and bites me? Let's smile for the camera. Hopefully it won't happen, but yeah, that's how it rolls in Jeju, and you need to make it more convenient to do so. And my hair is flickering around, which I absolutely hate. Like, why? Like, if you see the locals here, their hair is perfect. That's why when we go back to Seoul, I plan to like go to a hair salon or something, get my hair done, nails done, because it's so bad. But anyway, to give you guys the review.
Wanna tell you that you make me feel at home. I don't ever want you feeling like you are alone. We got something good, don't we?
The trip to Innisfree from the Camellia Hills is pretty short. So it might cost you about 9,000, 10,000 won. Pretty cheap. Kind of looks like the tea gardens. Tea garden on the other end, I guess it also says beware of snakes, because it's quite the area. I mean, greenery all around. What can you expect? Insects, snakes, and all those other stuff. See, the wind is harsh blowing. We've come out from the Innisfree office or factory, and day 3 was planned all by me. So we went to the Cheonjiyeon waterfall. We went to the
One eternity later.
Camellia Hills, Innisfree. So these 3 spots were picked out by me. They're really but you time like that's the Jeju is the perfect place. Now I will show you the Osalak logo. Lovely wooden flooring that you can just walk on. And see, it's just a matter of a few seconds from Innisfree, so it's not the tiring travel or anything. Osalak is tea from Jeju, which is since 1979. Korea's first exhibition place that offers tea drinking experience to visitors. So you can keep on drinking tea. Yay! Let's go. Because there's legit nobody here. When I'm saying nobody, it's empty. But this is the perfect spot where you want to take pictures. So let's roll the panorama.
But no one listens to me, so I put it in the song. They tell me think with my head, not that thing in my chest. They got their hands at my neck this time. But you're the one that I want. If that's really so wrong, then they don't know what this feeling is like.
I'll tell them a story, they'll sit and nod their heads. I'll tell you all my secrets, and you tell all your friends.